Ever wondered how to make your videos look like Hollywood-style slow motion? Well, in just a few minutes, you'll learn exactly how. Today, we're stepping into our 7th class, and trust me, it's going to be amazing. We'll learn how to create cinematic slow motion effects using CapCut. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive straight in. First, open CapCut. Next, create a brand new project. Then, import the video you want to edit. Alright, here's the video I'll be using. Now, drag it right into the timeline. Let's adjust the video speed just a little bit. Under speed, go to the curve option. This is where the magic happens. With these graphs, you can customize your video's speed to create that smooth cinematic slow motion. Now, let's set the solo motion to begin from this point. Adjust the graph carefully until the timing feels just right. For example, when the car moves in the frame, we can slow it down beautifully. From here, let's accelerate the speed again. Just a little faster. Perfect. Now let's move to the second car in the video. We'll do the same thing. Decide where it speeds up and where the solo motion kicks in. And there it is. Looks amazing already. To make it even better, let's add some background music. Alright, that's sounding cinematic. And why not throw in an effect or two? Remember, it's all about creativity, so add whatever makes your video truly amazing. And just like that, you did it. You've learned how to create cinematic solo motion with CapCut. Thanks for watching, stay tuned. The next trick will make your edits unstoppable.